In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve your own sun-kissed freckles from the comfort of your own home. Because if you're anything like me, you probably haven't taken a proper vacation since grade school. The struggle's real. While I have certainly seen this transformation done before with both eyeshadow and a small brush, today we are actually going to be using my Tarte Sketch and Set in shade Ash Blonde. I felt like this would look a lot more subtle and natural. Prior to applying it on your face, you're just going to want to warm it up on your fingertip. Can't forget the forehead. We're gonna give everything a good tap. Cute. We're gonna add a couple more. Tell me why I just look old. Looking like some liver spots. Next, we're gonna set the freckles and warm up the face with a little bronzer. Gucci gang. Looking like a e-girl. And there you have it, guys, your very own fake freckles. And last but not least, to keep your freckles in place all day, a little setting spray. I like to keep that shit on lockdown. Alright, you guys, if you enjoyed this little DIY glow up moment, be sure to hit that like button down below. Also, while you're down there, feel free to let me know what videos you would like to see me do next. I thank you all for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Deuces!